This next trick I'm going to be showing you is called the gondola. It's a pretty simple trick, however it has a few difficult elements to it. It can take a little while to learn, but it was one of the coolest tricks I ever learned when I got it started yo-yoing. I'll show you what it looks like and you'll kind of understand why I like it so much. So, as you can see, there's a little bit of slack in this trick, which can actually give you a little difficulty at first. But what I loved about it so much was the fact that you could swing the yo-yo back and forth between your hands. And once you get a hang of it, it looks really cool. So, to do this trick, one second, I need to adjust my string tension. This is something where you'll want to start taking string tension into consideration. If your string is all really tight or really loose, it'll get all twisted like this. And while you're doing the slack part of this trick, if that's twisting up, it'll make it hard for you to swing the string around and land it on your finger. So keep that in mind. If your yo-yo string is twisting up, take the yo-yo off your hand, let the string hang down, yo-yo in your free hand like this, and let the string hang down, and just sort of let it untwist or twist back on its own, and that'll bring it back to a neutral tension, which will keep it from twisting up and messing you up while you're trying to do this trick. So, to start this trick, you're going to do something that is basically the double or nothing. However, instead of first landing it over your freehand index finger, you're going to have it go over your freehand thumb. From there, you're going to swing the yo-yo normally, as if you were doing the double or nothing, landing it on your index finger. From there, you're going to pinch the string that's draped over your throw hand index finger, and you're going to let the string on your thumb just sort of drop down. As you drop it down, you swing it from behind the yo-yo up in front of the yo-yo. So from your body, away from your body, and you're going to try and take that loop and land it on your free hand index finger. From there you take your free hand index finger and you curl it down through the loop that it was originally on. That loop's going to sort of drape itself around the string that you just swung around behind the yo-yo out to the side, in front of it, landing on your index finger, and that starts you off with the beginning of the gondola. So do the gondola part. You swing the yo-yo towards your throw hand, just by tilting the string up and down. When it reaches your throw hand, you release the strings that you've been pinching between, or the single string that you've been pinching between your index and thumb. Now you can swing it back towards your free hand by doing that tilt. From there you simply drop the yo-yo off, and it looks kind of like it would make a knot, but the way those strings are all wrapped up in the yo-yo, it just sort of falls down and leaves you with a sleeping yo-yo at the end. That is the gondola. I hope you enjoy it. It may take you a little bit of time to figure out, but it's definitely a cool trick to learn, and it's very fun because it gets you into the element of tricks called slack tricks. And those are, it's a pretty complicated style, but once you start off with these simple ones, it'll make it a lot easier on you down the road. So definitely take the time to figure it out. Show it to a few friends. I will see you guys in the next video.